Welcome to SK English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn vegetables vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's start.
This is a carrot.
Carrot.
This is a potato.
Potato.
This is a tomato.
Tomato.
This is a cucumber.
Cucumber.
This is broccoli.
Broccoli.
This is lettuce.
Lettuce.
This is a cabbage.
Cabbage.
This is an onion.
Onion.
This is garlic.
Garlic.
This is a pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
This is an eggplant.
Eggplant.
This is a bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
This is celery.
Celery.
These are peas.
Peas.
This is a chili.
Chili.
This is ginger.
Ginger.
This is cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
This is spinach.
Spinach.
This is a radish.
Radish.
This is a zucchini.
Zucchini.
This is a beetroot.
Beetroot.
This is a turnip.
Turnip.
This is a mushroom.
Mushroom.
This is an artichoke.
Artichoke.
This is asparagus.
Asparagus.
This is a bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd.
These are Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
This is a butternut squash.
Butternut squash.
This is kale.
Kale.
This is a leek.
Leek.
This is okra.
Okra.
This is a sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
This is taro.
Taro.
This is bok choy.
Bok choy.
This is a parsnip.
Parsnip.
This is a red cabbage.
Red cabbage.
This is corn.
Corn.
This is endive.
Endive.
This is a bottle gourd.
Bottle gourd.
This is a green bean. Green bean.